And I'm gonna pick a smaller bead. So keep in mind, if you need to get more, absolutely you can add more on it. There's no limits of how much you can. So if you're doing a longer nails, you need more velvety gels, you can go ahead and get more. But if you're using a short nails and you feel like it's too much, definitely you can remove them without worry about the bead is setting, because it's not going to set until you are going to key it under LED lights. Okay, so now I apply on the top of the base gels. Close the lid.
Hey Queen, so it comes with a lot of gold charm in the glow in the dark kit. So what you see is when we break the box and just leave them out, there's a lot of them.
There's 4 jars of it. So I'm gonna using submerging my brush, a velvety gel brush, into the base gel. So I don't use any alcohol or acetone or any other solution. Is only I use these base gels. So then is special compatible together. So then that way you can get it is blended it and sculpting the nails without breaking down the products. So using the belly of the bristles and blend it, and it's gonna set level really cool, and it doesn't just set level or it doesn't run on you, so you have all plenty of time to work on the products. All right, super cool. So I am going to pick up some of the charms right here. I'm loving it. It has so many cute shells, you know, like seashells. And the smaller, biggers. And some bead too. I really like that. Oh my god, it's a lollipop. I saw Mika did it on her nails today. Yeah, Mika? I think so. I'm gonna add it on. I'm like so tempting to do a lollipop on that one.
Save it for tomorrow.
Lollipop. Oh, then we can do candy for that.
Exactly.
Okay. That's a little charms. It's super cute, yeah. And then you can put the beads on it. Hello everyone, happy Thursday. If I don't get to say hi to you right away, hello. I'm gonna press it down because what we're going to is cap the nails with the crystal clear. So make sure when you're doing yours, you don't have to do the coat is really too thick, because we are going to add some cute. And I love about Sky Bling is already have is dramatics, like have a glitter already mix it in. Oh, look at that. You can continue add more as you if you want to. It looks really good in person though. So pretty. And this is really easy and simple for a lot of you or just start building the structures of the nails. You can do it in like it's really easy without worry about your beads going to set on you or the beads going to be dry so fast. All right, so if you're happy with this, I am going to do a flash cure for 30 seconds. Hey Dom, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Thursday. I was so busy and getting some of the information. That's why I go live a little bit later today, but I'm so excited. Okay, so next is crystal clear. If yours having like really is troubleshootings with liquid and powders, with scripting, and couldn't get your beats right, this is going to be an awesome transitionings between the techniques to liquid and powder. So I am going to pick up some clear, and of course we are going to, the Velvetty Gel is really light, easy. When you're doing it, it's not going to run everywhere. It's going to set level, but it's not like a set level to the point you have to chase after that. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right. Fabulous. So additional, put it back into my jar. Make sure you close the lids. All right. And using the same tool, we are going to submerging my brush into the base gels and blend it. It's going to do itself as well as like salt level at the same time when you're blending it, but it's just really cool that you can able to completely control it. All right, so I taper it in the center of the nails, and you see that I didn't like, you see that I looks like I'm working a lot on my nails, but actually it's not at all. I just really feather touch, and then it does self level it for me. I just need to guide it. That's it. Oh, that's one. It looks really gorgeous in person though.